Welcome to ProFit Outdoor Kitchens. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through assembling your factory finished kitchen. Before we jump right in, keep these quick tips in mind for a smooth build. Finally, gather up your safety gear and tools, and let's get building. Start by connecting the back panel to the two side panels. Using the self-drilling screws from Bag 8, fasten each side panel to the aluminum frame by drilling from the outside inward. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Next, position the front panel between the side panels. Using screws from Bag A, secure both side panels to the front panel frame. Now begin locking the main structure into place. From inside the module, locate the pre-installed metal L brackets in the upper and lower corners. Using screws from Bag B, fasten each bracket securely to the adjoining frame members. Once all corner brackets are secured, remove the temporary transport panel attached to the frame. This panel is included only to protect and stabilize the module during shipping. Next, install the pre-mitered corner posts. Slide one square corner post vertically into each of the four corners. From inside the frame, use screws from bag corners to fasten each post securely in place. Finally, install the appliance support crossbars. Position each crossbar wherever you see a matching C label on the frame, typically beside the designated openings for the grill, side burner, plunge, or other appliance. Using a square, make sure the crossbar is aligned with the front and back panel. Secure each crossbar to the frame using screws from Bag C. Your ProFit kitchen frame is now fully assembled and ready for appliances and countertops.